This is why you should never hold back your sneeze. It's the case of a man who ruptured his throat. He was trying to suppress that seemingly harmless reflex of sneezing, but it soon became a critical hospital case. A forceful sneeze can generate immense pressure, and when you try to stop it, resulting in various issues which in the worst cases, can lead to a hole in the throat. In reality, such incidents are rare but still possible, causing great discomfort and posing grave health risks. Hold the sneeze if you must, but remember, it's safer to let it out. What do you think? Follow me for more health-related knowledge.